If ever you thought to yourself, could I be a foster parent, or do I have what it takes to adopt? This is your moment. St. Joseph Children's Home and Wednesday's Child will be partnering together to host their first ever Explore Foster Care Conference, and it's happening this weekend. I'm joined on the noon show today by Dana Carroll, the Executive Director of Wednesday's Child, and Kelly Poland. Kelly's a licensed social worker, also a part of Aetna, and just talking about this November 2nd date. You want anyone and everyone to come to it, just people exploring, and that's the title of this conference, Exploring Foster and Adoption, Dana.
Exactly. We're excited to have it. It is here, November 2nd. So what the whole premise behind it is, there is a staggering number of older foster children that are in the system now. And there's even a staggering number, if you will, that are waiting to be adopted. So we thought that this would be a great way of bringing in to address what we need is foster parents. I mean, that's really the crux of it. So Wednesday's Child approached St. Joseph's Children's Home with the idea of doing something different. And it's this Explore Foster Care, just something very low key, but for those that are interested, wanting more of the facts, this is the perfect place to learn.
I love that. And then as far as some of the highlights, you're going to have a number of booths there that are really going to cater to both fostering, adoption, any kind of questions you might have.
There's a whole slew of vendors that are going to be there that are involved in the foster care system one way or another. And I think the other highlight to say is, instead of just having a conference where there's professionals sharing information, we wanted to do something different. We wanted for those attendees to get information from the source. So we have panels. We have panels of youth speaking as foster children. We have panels for the parents, foster parents, speaking real into their experience. And then of course a resource panel too that can share all the resources that's available to foster parents if they decide to foster.
I love that. And Kelly, I know this is such a critical time. We do countless stories on the need for foster parents and then the families to help these kids. How does Aetna get involved here?
So Aetna Better Health of Kentucky has a single source contract to provide Medicaid benefits to children that are impacted by foster care and juvenile justice. So we are a very proud sponsor of Wednesday's Child and all of their work that they do to help kids in need. And on a regular basis, on a daily basis, Sky has care managers that work with a network of families to help serve these youth across Kentucky. And we will tell you that we need more people to join in that mission. There are so many kids that are waiting for that loving forever family.
Yes.
They're waiting for a home that can provide really a safe, loving, and healthy environment. So we're here to encourage the community to come out to this conference on November 2nd and to possibly open their hearts and their homes to some of these children that are in need.
All right, and this is happening November 2nd, as she mentioned. The Foster Care Conference is going to be happening on the St. Joe's campus, again, for families who are just interested in learning more about fostering or adopting a child, and you can register online. Guys, thank you so much
Thank you for
joining
having
us here, and we hope it's a major success, and let us know how it goes.
Thank you.
Thank you.